Another quick one for you guys. If you're having issues with the horn and you're not seeing any problems as far as any broken wires or bad connectors or anything, the way that this gets power, if you take a look at everything, is that these two contacts work like a clock spring, and they're going to push along these two channels here on the back of the wheel, which is going to get power to the wheel, which allows these two to get power, which is what you plug into, and then you ground against this, and that's supposed to give you the setup you need for your horn to work, at least the switch on the steering wheel to work, and for your cruise control buttons to work. So it's important that you get the steering wheel seated all the way down. So whenever you go to put your wheel back on, line up your flat, line up your turn signal cancel cam right here. That's going to go, if you look here, I'm pretty sure that gets captive right here. And when you get all that lined up and you sink it in deep, and basically you're going to turn on this nut until it won't turn anymore to get it fully seated, then the steering wheel should have power. The horn in theory should work as long as you don't have a bad relay or any other wiring that's not good. And that also should ensure that your turn signal canceller is going to work.